In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Dropbox files on computer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to install the desktop app, keep your files up to date across devices, and choose which folders stay on your computer to save space. First, download the Dropbox desktop app from the official Dropbox website and run the installer. Follow the on-screen prompts. On some computers, you may be asked for your device password or permission to install. When the installer finishes, the app will open automatically. Next, sign into your Dropbox account inside the app. Enter your login details and complete any verification prompts your account requires. Once you're in, Dropbox will set up everything you need in the background. You'll now see a new Dropbox folder on your computer. On Windows, it appears in File Explorer under Favorites or This PC. On a Mac, you'll find it in Finder's sidebar. Think of this folder as the bridge between your computer and your Dropbox cloud storage. From here on, anything you drag into the Dropbox folder will automatically start syncing to your account. You can create subfolders, move projects in, or save files directly into it from your apps. Give large uploads a bit of time, and keep your internet connection active while syncing. You'll typically see small status icons on files indicating whether they're syncing or fully up to date, which is a handy way to confirm progress. Once complete, your files will be available on your other devices signed into the same account. To fine-tune what lives on your computer, open the Dropbox menu, click the Dropbox icon in your taskbar on Windows or in the menu bar at the top of your screen on a Mac. In the Dropbox window, click your profile picture or initials, then choose Preferences to open the app's settings. Select the Sync tab. Here you'll find Selective Sync, which controls which folders are stored locally. Click Choose Folders or Selective Sync to see a list of your Dropbox folders. Check the folders you want downloaded to this computer, and uncheck the ones you'd like to keep only in the cloud to save disk space. Don't worry, unchecking a folder removes only the local copy. The files remain safely in your Dropbox online and can be re-enabled later. When you've made your choices, click Update to apply the changes and let Dropbox adjust your files. That's it. Install, sign in, use the Dropbox folder for automatic syncing, and tailor storage with Selective Sync. Keep the app running and your connection steady for the smoothest experience.